How to create a Netflix account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually create a Netflix account. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what we simply need to do is you can actually open the Netflix app if you wanted to, but I'm going to simply open the Chrome browser for the easy convenience of me. I'm going to open any of the browser which you have, and in the search box you want to simply type in netflix.com. I'm also going to make sure to leave this link down in the description box. So once you go to netflix.com, you can see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. Now right here, if you already do have an account, then on the top right you can simply tap on the sign in button, or else you have to simply enter an email address which you want to use for your Netflix account. So go ahead and simply enter the email address which you might want to use, and then simply tap on the button which says get started. As you tap on get started, you can see it says sign up and finish setting up your account. It says Netflix is personalized for you. Create a password to watch on any device at any time. So you can simply tap on the next button and it says create a password. So what you have to do is actually simply create a password for your Netflix account. Go ahead and choose any of the password which you want to. Once you've actually entered your password, what you can also do is simply check this button which says please do not email me Netflix special offers if you don't want to, or if you want to receive newsletters, you can go ahead and uncheck it if you want. You also want to make sure you have typed in the password correctly, because you can obviously see there is no reconfirmation button, or there isn't any type of show button where you can actually see the password. Once done, you can go ahead and simply tap on this next button which you see. Once you tap on next, you can basically see it says to actually choose your plan, no commitments, cancel, low price, and no extra fees. So what you have to do is simply tap on the next button, and here you have been given multiple types of plans. For example, you have the basic mobile plan, and then you have the basic plan, which is almost $7.99 a month. The mobile plan is only up to 480 pixels, so I'm not sure if you really want to watch it. If you're watching on a single device, it's perfectly fine, or if you don't really care about the quality, that is fine. You have the basic option which costs, and this is also up to only 480p, but you have multiple devices. You can log into your phone, tablet, computer, and TV. You have the standard option, which is basically you can log into your phone, your tablet, your computer, as well as your TV again, which gives you a resolution up to 1080p. And then you have the ultra premium plan, which is up to $12 a USD month, and it is obviously the best premium plan out there. You can watch up to 4K videos and stream up to 4K movies. You can also watch it on your phone, your tablet, your computer, and your TV. Once you select your desired plan, what you have to do is simply tap on this button at the bottom which says next, and it is basically going to ask us to set up your payment method. So you could go ahead and add your credit or debit card such as Visa, MasterCard, or American Express if you've got one. Else you could also go ahead and simply enter your PayPal account details. Right over here you could go ahead and tap and continue to PayPal and enter your PayPal details, log into your account, confirm the subscription, or else what you also can do is I'm going to come back, and you could also go ahead and actually simply choose to enter your debit or credit card, enter your details, and start the membership as well. This is basically how easily you can create a Netflix account. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.